Hello and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you our new blog for the site builder. We've made a few changes and it's a little bit upgraded, and I'm going to show you how it works now that we have completed these changes. So the same way that you would add a blog like normal, you would click on the magazine, click add blog, select the layout, and then it's going to add the blog pages to your website as well as some elements here that come with it. It does take a second for it to load. And as you'll notice, it adds a news page and a blog. To quickly describe how this works, the blog page here is the home page for the blog, so to speak. That'll display the landing of the blog where they would pick the article that they want to read. They would opt into your mailing list. There'd be like a title here, so you can make sure that you see it. I'll just make it black. The text automatically is white, so make sure that you change that when you need to. So this will be the page. It'll display the articles that you have in your settings, as well as some additional elements here. This little sidebar here can be found if you go to the blog elements here under blog apps, and then there's a bunch of different things here you could add as well. So for the blog, all you'll need to do is refer to this newspaper and go to blog manager. Here you'll see we've made it a little more simple as compared to our old setup. Here you'll click to edit each of the articles here by clicking this pencil icon. You would set the title of the article, the date that it has been created or published. You can create authors here. I would just add myself as an author, and then it would have me as an author in the system. And then with these categories and tags, you can set up certain categories or tags that you want to identify the article by, and these can be used on one of these sidebars where if they click the certain tag or the certain category, it will filter the articles that you have for that specific tag or category. And then here is where you will edit and the text and the content of your article. And then once you're done, you just click Publish News, and it will add it to this. You can see that it updated with me as the author here. And then this star will make it a starred article, which means it will be more important than the others. This right here, you can add meta tags for indexing, some keywords to identify the article, and then a custom page name that will correspond with the name of the page that the article lands on. So to describe this, every article goes on this news page here, which is the content placeholder. It'll have the same sidebar as well. This is kind of like a feed to display the categories, recent posts, stuff like that. It'll automatically come with this placeholder where the article will appear, and it doesn't have multiple pages. It's just every article will appear on this page. And it also comes with the comment element here for Facebook comments. Just make sure that you place this below the article placeholder so that when this populates, it'll push down. And then we go back to the blog manager here for a few more things. You can delete the articles here. This will just show you any articles you've published, any drafts you have not completed, anything you have scheduled, what categories you have created. You can always add categories here, and then you can identify the articles by these categories. Same thing with the tags. And always you can transfer the blog, and it will transfer this blog to a certain layout. It will reload with it in that layout. If I had a different layout, it would have me pick the other layout and I could transfer it over to that. So that is basically everything you need to know about our new blog overview. And I hope this video has been helpful to you guys. We will see you guys in the next video.